Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find or locate AirTag item with iPhone. So if your AirTag is in the bag or your AirTag is in your AirTag bag and then connected to your keys or to your dog or your bicycle, any item of your choice, and I want to find the Apple AirTag item, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is, when you want to locate AirTag item with iPhone, is make sure this AirTag is connected to the right item, and we assume you couldn't find the AirTag at the moment. Just go ahead to your iPhone. On the iPhone, what you need to do is this. Open Find My, and once you open Find My, locate and click on Items. Then you should see the name of your Apple AirTag. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you selected the name of your AirTag, the next one to do is locate and click on Find Nearby. Then you should see connected, signal is weak. Try to move. Now you need to move around to find your AirTag. As you can see, this says my AirTag is here, and of course, this is my AirTag. Now, if my AirTag is far away, so I just choose to move my AirTag far away now, then this is going to search for where the AirTag is. I say item is moving, precise location cannot be determined. Then you just need to keep moving around until the item is located. So according to this signal, it says my item is like 4 or 5 feet away from me. So what you need to do is you then move left, right, back, and forth. However, to easily find your AirTag, if you couldn't find the exact location, all you need to do is click on the speaker to ring the AirTag. You see that? So once the AirTag rings, you can easily track the location of the AirTag using your iPhone, and then you're good. So that is basically how to locate AirTag item with iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.